Guys, just want to make a quick video about spruce trees in the winter and what they'll kind of do. So I have a few spruces here in the planter here. I kind of want to just, and all evergreens kind of, but spruces and is what I'm going to talk about today. And cedars, I guess. But I want to show what kind of happens to them in the winter and when the months cool down. They don't go dormant, but a few things do. Well, they don't drop their needles, but a few things do happen. So we'll talk about that in this video. Just want to point out a couple things on it. So if we look at our spruce tree here, it might not do justice on video, but you can see it's kind of a blackish grayish hue instead of the bright green or blue spruce. Now, and this is actually supposed to be like that because although a spruce tree does not, this one's a little more brighter still. This one was the same color, even a little brighter, and it really dulled, as you can see. And that just happens every winter. Kind of turns to a gray hue, and it's got a lot of set buds. So what this is because the tree is actually dormant. It is not producing as much chemicals and saps. So it's taking its color down just to conserve a little more of that. A spruce, you know, they'll get winter burn. This one got winter burn because it didn't have enough energy after the spring to uncover from the snow. And over here, this cedar was bright green. Now it's dulling out because it was covered with snow. So that's what they'll do. They'll go dormant. The cedars did too. They actually brightened back up a little bit. But when it got real cold, they dimmed down pretty considerably. So that's what evergreen will do. It'll just, you know, an evergreen will go dormant. That's what they do. People think they don't, but they do. Probably more than dormant trees or deciduous trees. They just kind of dull their color out. So if you're wondering why your spruce is looking a little dull this winter, probably because it's wintertime. Usually that happens. It still looks great, and it's got buds set for next year. Means nothing's wrong with the tree. It's a very healthy tree. Just kind of preparing itself for the cold to come. This one I'm sure will dull out soon enough too.